Now we will discuss some word problems of multiplication. Let's look at the first word problem, that is the question number 4. Apples are sold at rupees 18 2 by 5 per kg. What is the cost of 3 by 4 kg of apples? Let's try to understand it. Firstly, what is the given, where we have to take the concept of multiplication. Already in earlier classes we have already discuss where you have to use the multiplication, where the anything 1 kg या 1 कॉस्ट या किसी भी थिंग की मतलब 1 की अगर कुछ भी आपको गिवन होता है और आपने ज़्यादा के लिए फाइंड आउट करना होता है, देन हमेशा हम क्या करते हैं, मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं. सिमिलरली इन दिस वर्ड प्रॉब्लम व्हाट इज द गिवन, एप्पल्स आर सोल्ड एट दिस रेट पर केजी डैट मीन्स द 1 kg, सो कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 kg इज रुपीज़ 18 2 by 5. ओके बच्चे, सो व्हाट इज़ द कॉस्ट ऑफ 3 by 4 kg ऑफ एप्पल्स. डैट मीन्स अगर आपको 1 kg की गिवन है और आपने ज़्यादा kg की निकालनी है 3 by 4 kg की, तो क्या हो गया, यानी कि मोर की निकालनी है. डैट मीन्स वी विल डू द मल्टीप्लीकेशन. ओके बच्चे, लेट्स सी हाउ विल यू डू. लेट्स सी हियर द कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 kg एप्पल that is equals to rupees 18 2 by 5. Okay, you have to find the cost of, here is cost of 3 by 4 kg of apples. that means आपको जो 1 kg एप्पल्स की कॉस्ट दे रखी है और आपने 3 by 4 kg ऑफ एप्पल्स की कॉस्ट फाइंड आउट करनी है. सो बच्चे यू हैव टू डू द कंसेप्ट ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन. 18 2 by 5, the cost of this one, and what is the quantity, that is a 3 by 4. okay, this is the same way. जैसे आप मार्केट में जाते हो, if you want to purchase the 1 kg mango, bananas, anything, apples, so that is if the cost of that thing is rupees 50, 1 kg, let's say 1 kg cost rupees 50, and you have to want to purchase 2 kg, so what will be the cost, that you will do the multiplication on that side. 50 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 100. Similarly we will take the concept in this fraction. Okay students, now you have to change the mixed fraction into improper fraction, because in improper mixed fraction the simplification is not possible. So 18 5 that is a 90 plus 2, which is equals to 92 by 5. here is multiply, 3 4 is 12. okay, 12 plus 3, which is equals to 15 by 4. now you will simplify it. 5 and 15 both numbers can be cut on table of 5. on the table of 5 is on 1 and 15 is on 3, and 4 and 92, yes, it can be divisible. on the table of 4, that is on 1, and 9 is not divisible, so you have to take 8 goes on 2. now 1 is remainder, 1 2, that is a 12, so 12 is on 3, which is a 23. so rupees 23 multiplied by 3, here is 1 multiplied by 1, rupees 23 multiplied by 3, that is 69 by 1, which is equals to rupees 69. so this is the answer. I think so students, it's clear how to solve this type of word problem. now we will take the question number 5. this is similar as the question number 4. one time I will explain you. Cloth is being sold at rupees 42 1 by 2 per meter. what is the cost of 3 by 5 meter of this cloth? that means what you have given कि cloth है जो sold हो रहा है 1 मीटर. that means 1 मीटर की जो cost है वो हमारे पास क्या आ रही है, 42 1 by 2 मीटर, और सॉरी 42 1 by 2. so you have to find the cost of 3 by 5 meter of this cloth. that means cost of 1 meter cloth, that is equals to rupees 42 1 by 2, and you have to find cost 3 by 5 meter of cloth. so what will you do bache, you have to do same as the question number 4 by multiplication. okay, what you will write, firstly cost of 1 meter cloth equals to this one, and cost of 3 by 5 meter of cloth, that is equals to you have to multiply these two fraction, then after simplification you will get your answer. okay, that you have to do yourself. now question number 6. a car covers a certain distance at a uniform speed 66 2/3 kilometer per hour, how much distance will it cover in 9 hours? Okay, now let's see how will you solve. A car covers a certain distance, that means एक कार है वो अपना डिस्टेंस यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड से कवर कर रही है. कितना डिस्टेंस कवर कर रही है? 66 2/3 किलोमीटर पर आवर में 1 आवर में वो कितना डिस्टेंस कवर करेगी? 66 2/3 किलोमीटर. हाउ मच डिस्टेंस विल इट कवर इन 9 आवर्स? सो 9 आवर्स में उसने कितना कार ने डिस्टेंस कवर किया वो हमने इस क्वेश्चन में फाइंड आउट करना है. लेट्स सी हाउ विल यू डू. Now here, what is the given solution? 6. The distance covered by car in 1 hour. Earlier I have discussed the question. How will you solve? Distance covered by car in 1 hour, that is equals to 66 2/3 kilometer, and you have to find the distance covered by car in 9 hours. So how will you do? You will do by multiplication. Here is 66 2/3 multiply by 9. You have to find this is the distance, so distance is in kilometer. Okay बच्चे, now this is the mixed fraction. So firstly you have to change in 66 multiply by 3, that is 198. 190 plus 2, which is equals to 200. So 200 by 3 multiply by 9 kilometer. Now you have to, 9 is a whole, you have to write 1 here. Now cut it, 3 and 9 on the table of 3. Here is 1 and here is 3. Now 200 multiply by 3, 600. 1 multiply by 1, 1. 600 by 1 kilometer, which is equals to 600 kilometer. It's clear बच्चे. How will you solve this type of sum? Now look at the question number 7, that is a 1 tin hold 12 3/4 liters of oil. How many liter of oil can 26 such tins hold? That means इसमें क्या गिवन है? 1 tin hold, यानी कि 1 tin में कितना ऑयल होल्ड है? 12 3/4 liters. How many liters of oil can 26 such tins hold? तो 26 tins में कितना लीटर ऑयल होल्ड हो सकता है वो हमने इस क्वेश्चन में फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके बच्चे, नाउ इन द फर्स्ट हाउ विल यू राइट? 1 tin contains oil, that is 12 3/4 liter, and in the next, okay, 26 tins hold oil, that is equals to, you have to multiply these two numbers, 12 3/4 multiply by 26 by then after simplification you will get your answer. Now it's clear students, this sum you have to do yourself. Okay.